To access your customer area through the Okodia website, click on the Customer Area option in the top menu. Once you have done that, you will have to enter the login details we will have sent you. The Customer Area interface is really simple. The first thing you need to do is click Create Request. Once you have done that, you can request a quote for a job or place an order directly. We will first request a quote. When you click on that option, the window will open up. Here you need to enter the details of the order, such as the name of the project, a description, the type of service you need, and the delivery date. When you have configured everything, on the next page, you need to select the language or languages into which you want to translate the document. Next, upload the file or files you want translated so that we can provide a quote for the job. In the next window, you can check the details of the job and also give a delivery date for the quote. The process ends when you click on the Request a Quote option. We will notify you by email once we have calculated your quote. What's more, in your customer area, you can check the quote we have sent you by clicking on the order number. At the end of this screen, you will also find the options to accept or reject it. When you accept it, we will send you a confirmation email and start working on your project. We will notify you by email when we have finished the job. This information will also appear in your customer area, where you can check the documents delivered through the Orders option and download the translated files. We will send you the invoice by email. However, you can also check the details of the invoices issued in your customer area in the invoicing section.